Hi guys, it's that time of the year again. I love Halloween. I love dressing up as you can see, and I also love to create some fun and a little bit scary Halloween treats as well. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some decorations so you don't want to eat these things as they are, but you want to use them, for example, to decorate your Halloween cupcakes or Halloween cakes. So, I got my eyes on you. I had to say it. I know it's really cheesy pun, but I thought it was funny. So today I'm gonna show you how to make these spooky fondant eyes that you can then use to decorate your Halloween treats. And there's something else I wanted to tell you. We just need to remove this little guy. This Sunday, myself and my friend AB from Smokin Grillin with AB are going to make these bloody cupcakes. I have decorated mine with the fondant eyes, and AB will have some cool decorations to use on the cupcakes as well. So if you want to join us on the live stream, I am going to link the information for you now. So pause the video to get all the information from the screen. I hope you will be tuning in on Sunday for our live show. It's gonna be a lot of fun and it's gonna be spooky. Also, I'm gonna link the direct link for you so you can save the date for the live stream on your phone, on your laptop, and you will get a reminder when the show is on. And now, let's make those eyes. All of the equipment that you will need for this tutorial will be listed in the description box. I rolled out some balls out of fondant and then I allowed them to dry a little bit before I started with the painting. Then the first thing I am doing is just to outline the eye, and I'm using some black paint for that. You will see what I'm doing here is I'm taking a little bit of water and a little bit of paint, mixing it here on a plate and then applying it on the fondant eye, or to make the fondant eye. So first I'm starting just with a little bit of color. So I'm using brown paint because I want to make a brown eye, and I'm adding more and more paint to make some layers. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of yellow. So you want to add some darker tones, then some lighter tones to kind of give the eye some structure and also add some dimension to it. And once I've added some layer, I want to add these kind of lines, which I think also give the structure to the eye. And I think this is how the eye is typically drawn. Then I'm sorry, here my camera stopped a little, but you can see I did some adjustments there with the colors. I added a little bit more yellow to make it a little bit brighter so that the eye would not be that dark. Then I also enhanced the black color of the pupil and the outline of the iris. Then I also wanted to add a little bit of color so that the eye is not completely white, and for that I just took a little bit of that black paint, mixed it with a lot of water just to get a really light color, and painted the white part of the eye. So this way you can make brown, green, blue, whichever colored eyes that you like. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of how I made this blue eye, but you can make the same with any color that you like. The important thing is to layer colors so that the eye has some structure, and then at the end enhance the main bits, so the iris, or the outline of the iris and the pupil. Also, something I want to mention is don't take a lot of water, because if you use a lot of water, then you will notice that the color just keeps peeling off the fondant. So you want to get this paste-like consistency for the paint in order to actually paint on the fondant. And if needed, you can always dry the paintbrush a little bit on some paper kitchen towels. Then this is optional, but I think for Halloween this is kind of a must. So I wanted to add some redness to the eye. So I'm just making some veins with some red paint, and then I also wanted to make the back really red. So I'm gonna paint just the outline of the red here, so the back of the eye, and once the eye has completely dried, then I'm gonna paint the part that is at the bottom at the moment. So I'm not going to show that because I needed the eyes to dry completely, but it's simple to make, so just turn it around and paint the part that's not painted. And here it is, the completed eye. I really liked the green ones. Let me know which one is your favorite. So I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun creating these eyes. Actually, I'm gonna say something really weird, but it was really relaxing to paint the eyes. Weird? I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. These are really fun to make, and I think they are a really cool addition to your Halloween treats. You can even just use them and lay them around on a table if you want, but send me some pictures if you're going to make these. I would love to see your Halloween treats. One more reminder for the live show. So again, you can stop the screen if you didn't get the information earlier in the intro. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you found it fun, spooky, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, don't forget that thumbs up so I know that you liked it, and subscribe because there are gonna be some more fun and hopefully spooky Halloween tutorials to come in the next weeks. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.